Hey guys, Taylor here from thetradinganalyst.com. Hope you guys had a great holiday week and enjoyed the 4th of July. So we're going to discuss the market here. I'm going to discuss the S&P 500 as well as some individual components that make up the S&P 500. So first and foremost, I just kind of want to summarize here. I'm not going to go into a lot of detail about what's happened in the past because I've already covered that so much. We've been bullish this entire time here since down late December of 2018, and that's because the trend has been extremely strong. If you don't believe me, that's okay. Go back and watch all the videos that I've been doing during this market move the last year or so. If you look back here, I called this bounce. At this point in time, we've been riding this trend up right here. I've been playing long the entire time, and myself and my members are making money. So let's take a look here at the S&P 500. We've got a break over a key resistance level. You can see it was resistance right here back in about September of 2018. Again right here in April 2019. Again right here we attempted to break over it, couldn't quite do it. But then, boom, we finally did it right here last week. And you guys, this is super strong. This is just the beginning of this move. We're about to see a massive breakout in the market. And I'm sorry if you disagree. I hope that you can finally change your mind in time to catch this trend. So anytime we have a big resistance like this with multiple hits, in the market, pretty much 99% of the time, it leads to a huge move higher. And if you kind of look here, I'm just kind of going to back it up 2 years, you can see, actually I'll go 3 years. You can see that this is a lot of sideways trading, okay? We didn't just come and just break over this resistance with no break at all. We've got a lot of sideways trading. I'm going to back it up even more, 5 years, and you can see this is what happens. All right, you can see right here. Okay, so this action right here, in 2015, a lot of sideways trading action. To me, that's very similar to what we're seeing over here. It's not the exact same pattern, but it's similar. Okay, you get these up moves, this down move, up move, down move, up move, and then we finally break over that resistance right about there, okay? You can see huge move up, consolidated, and then huge move up after that. Okay, very similar here, guys. Okay, we're trading between these two ranges, boom, boom, boom. Here, very similar, trading between these ranges right here. Okay, just a very similar look. It doesn't need to be identical, but the point is we had this big trend up, then we needed to rest, okay, trade sideways. Now we're ready for a renewed breakout higher, all right? So that's what I'm seeing here on the S&P 500. Let me kind of go back to right here. And as far as more specific levels, I'll give you on the S&P 500, as far as a bounce zone that you want to look for, is right around, and who knows if we'll hit this anytime soon. Remember the last breakout that I was using as an example in 2015. We had a breakout for several weeks, several months, and then we came back down and we retested the breakout level, which would be right around there. So if we break out and then we kind of get bearish and head down, there's going to be a lot of people that say, okay, this trend is over, yada, yada, yada. But really, that's when you should be buying the bounce against this previous resistance, which is now support. So the specific level is right around 2950. Okay, 2950 on the SPX is that level that you want to look for bounces on. Okay, we're going to look at some individual charts here. First and foremost, Apple. Apple is breaking over this resistance. And again, I'm not showing these individual names here to give you specific trade ideas for these individual stocks. I'm covering these specific stocks like Apple, Amazon, Google, Netflix, Facebook, who else am I going to cover? Microsoft, because these are high market cap companies here, and typically the market moves with them. The market can't make a move without these stocks participating. So I'm just showing you guys that these individual names here are looking very strong. So here we have Apple breaking over this resistance, consolidating sideways here for a little bit, but looking very bullish and most likely going to continue this breakout. The next one is Amazon. Amazon right here is right back up to all-time, almost back up to all-time highs. It broke over this resistance as well, looking very bullish. If you kind of back it up about a year, let me just kind of delete all that stuff. We have, to me, what looks like a massive breakout potential. Okay, we've got this little downtrend line right here. Last time we had a downtrend line like this was like that. You can see it broke over it and then saw a huge move higher. We've got a similar one right here, and to me this is really setting up for a big move higher, and Amazon is really going to help the market here as well. So there's Google is next. Google, definitely the weakest of the bunch that I'm covering. So that is definitely something that you want to note here. But Google has the look that it wants to break out a little bit. If you look here, just broke over this resistance right here, breaking over those highs, and it broke back over this level, making this a false breakdown. So what a false breakdown is you have a level of support like this level. Okay, we'll just kind of make it simple right around here. You can see it was support, 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 support. We broke that support right here, and we finally broke back over that support, making this a false breakdown. False breakdowns typically create big moves in the opposite direction. So that's what we're seeing here for Google. The next one we're going to look at is Facebook. Facebook, super strong action on this stock. We had this big breakout and then consolidation lower. We had a lot of bad news that came out on Facebook, but as you can see, it didn't really matter because we just rebounded and have been heading higher since. Facebook still has this resistance to break over. I mean, we're kind of over it right now a little bit, but definitely want to see a stronger close over it. But regardless, the trend here for Facebook is very much so in the upward direction, and I definitely think it's looking bullish and definitely not bearish. The next one is Netflix. We'll take a look at Netflix. Has been trading sideways for this whole time. I mean, look at this. For the last, basically this entire 2019, we've been trading sideways right here, and as you can see, we're finally trying to break over this resistance. You can see this was resistance. That was resistance all the way back here in mid-2018. Right there, here, here, right here, here, and here we are tinkering with this level once again. If it breaks over this level, can really get going. But right now, the trend is very strong. And again, I'm showing you this here to show you that Netflix does not look bearish. Okay, it actually looks quite bullish. All right, and this is good for the market. Last one I'm going to be covering is Microsoft. Let me delete all these tools, and actually let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, so Microsoft, very strong move right here. This is all-time highs. We're a couple bucks off of all-time highs. That's the previous all-time high. So we're making new all-time highs. This trend here that we've been having here is super strong, guys. Okay, we had a failed breakdown attempt right here, and this is something that I covered back when it did this. I said if it closes back above this level, that's going to be a really nice long signal. That was all the way down at about 124. And here we are, and we hit about 140. Huge move up. So if you follow along on these videos, you can really, really do well. And if you want to take that next step into your trading and into working with me and dealing with me, and you want real-time trade alerts, then you can have the opportunity to do that by joining our premium membership community. So if you've bought and sold trades at the wrong time and you've lost money, or you're not confident when the right time to get in or out is, that's okay. That's a very common theme with traders who come to me for help, because when you join our premium membership community, you can instantly reduce your losing trades and get started with the #1 options trading service on the planet. All right. So if you scroll down here, you're going to see everything that you get when you sign up and you join today. First and foremost, you're going to get easy to follow real-time trade alerts. All right. These are profitable trade alerts. Our members are making money. We have never had a down year or a down quarter. We have down days, down weeks, but never a down quarter and never a down year. All right. So easy to follow trade alerts. All of the entries and exits will be sent to you in real time. So you're going to know the exact buy price and the exact sell price to execute that trade. Here are a few examples of some recent trades that I've sent out to members here. If you were a member at that time, you would have been able to participate and profit alongside of us. The next thing you're going to get here is access to our real-time portfolio tracker. And this is just our way of being 100% completely transparent with you. All of our wins, our losses, our break-even trades, everything gets uploaded here to the portfolio tracker. Apparently, there's a lot of other services out there who don't track their trades, and most importantly, they don't share their results with their clients or with the public. We do share our results with you and our clients here because we get results. So plain and simple, we get results, so we're happy to share our results with you. The next thing you're getting when you sign up and you join today is the professional trading watch list. That's also covered on a different section of the portfolio tracker. We have a written watch list, as well as I cover most of our plays here in detail in video analysis. The next thing you're getting here, and that's going to allow you to become prepared. We're not just sending you out these alerts with no preparation. 99% of our trades come from the watch list, and our watch list is made sometimes several days, sometimes several weeks before we actually take a trade from that watch list, because we're waiting for that setup. So you're well prepared ahead of time for these trades. The next thing you're getting access to is the exclusive member-only videos. If you've ever wanted to get inside the head of a profitable trader, that's me, you're going to have the opportunity to do that when you join. You're going to learn what I'm seeing in the market. I'm going to share my insights and my thoughts, and it's going to help you gain more confidence, not only in our alerts and our trades here at the membership, but also gain more confidence in your own trades and how you view the market. The next thing here that you're getting is a bonus, and this is full access to our education library. We've got an options masterclass, which is going to bring you up to speed on how we do things with options. I also discuss the main strategy that we use here at thetradinganalyst.com. And that alone is worth 10 times the cost of the membership, because it is a money-making strategy. It's something that I've developed over the last decade that I've been trading. And it works in bearish and bullish markets. That alone is worth 10 times the cost of the membership, and you should really want to get your hands on that, because I think it can really help you. So all you got to do is scroll down here. You're going to see everything that you're going to get when you sign up and you join. The trade alerts, the portfolio tracker, the watch list, the exclusive member-only videos, the bonus here, access to the full education library, and I update that probably every month with new educational content, all for a total value of $2,395. But for a limited time only, you can get access for just $787 for the entire year. And I want to tell you, we are raising our prices. The annual membership is going to be over $3,000 here. And that's going to start this week, sometime by the end of this week. I'm just waiting on my web developer to finish creating some pages. As soon as he finishes those pages, the price is going to go up. So this is a steal here, $787 for the entire year. And soon that price is going to go up to about $3,000. So click that button right here. And that's going to take you to the 100% secure checkout page. I'm just going to move my face out of the way just a little bit. All you have to do is enter in your name, your email, your phone number, and then choose a password. Make sure that this is a valid phone number that you're entering right here, because that's how you're going to receive the buy and sell text alerts. Then all you have to do is scroll down here and enter in your payment information right here, security code, or if you want to check out with PayPal, you can do so easily by clicking that button right here and then that button right here. And as soon as you do that, you're going to get instant access to everything that I talked about in this video today, the alerts, the videos, the watch list, the educational content, and so much more. Most importantly, you're going to get 24/7, virtually 24/7 access. If I'm not asleep, I'm going to answer your questions. You can reach me via text message, replying to any of the text alerts. You can reach me via email, or we have a live chat at the bottom of the website that you can reach me on as well. I'm always available to help you grow your account on a consistent basis. So, if you'd like to grow your account on a consistent basis and make winning trades in the market, actually make money in the market, then sign up today, and I can't wait to help you do that. I look forward to helping you, and I'll see you guys on the inside.